Welcome back. I'm Justin Bohn, and this is the Blindfold Challenge.
Keep it straight. Don't try this at home. Like I just said, don't try this at home. We got a full game going right now. Let's get into it. Roll the intro.
Blindfolded challenge. Rules are simple. You just have to wear a blindfold. Eyes got to be covered, not be able to see anything, and that's about all I got. It's gonna be a one-game match. Perfect example right there. Eyes got to be covered. And for safety reasons, we're not really gonna do a full approach. We're gonna try to keep it under control and not break anything in this very nice, training center in space. And are you good? Test shot. Okay, great. That's your first shot, by the way. I think we should just get into this and get this thing on the road. What do you think?
So both of our first shots have gotten 0. You saw it in the beginning, and mine right now. We're tied at 0-0. So good luck.
It actually wasn't that bad.
Still got 0.
It still was 0. All right, strategy, get a little closer. All right, ready? Eyes are covered. Oh, that's pins. I don't even know how many I knocked down. Nice strike.
That's a spare because
Oh,
no. You got one shot of practice. That was at the beginning of the video. So that is a gutter spare.
No, it's not.
That's a gutter spare, bro.
That was the opening. That was totally not a part of the video. Put your blindfold back on and throw your second shot. You're just salty, you have 0, and I got a strike.
It's on.
That is pins. You left the 158.
No, I didn't.
159. I'm very surprised he's actually throwing it as hard as he is because it's hard to have your eyes closed and do something, and he's got a 15-pound bowling ball in his hand. Just saying, if he misses, that could go horribly wrong. I'm gonna do this much slower and much more in control because I don't really want to break anything. That didn't sound very good. And 0. Welcome to the game. Try this a little harder. Oh, that. What are you doing?
Just give me the blindfold.
I guess this wasn't against the rules.
You did just say the blindfold needed to cover our eyes.
I guess it's. Well, what I was going to say before I was abruptly cut off, I guess I did say that the blindfold was the only rule and it had to cover both of our eyes. So I guess if you want to use the ramp,
I missed the ramp.
cover their eyes, there you go.
They're covered. Oh. That looks good to me.
You got 8.
This is quite the match we got. 15-10.
I really should have tried to get more pins when I struck because that would have really helped my score in this really low scoring match. I have no idea where it's going when I have the blindfold on, and literally, I just listen, and if it goes in the gutter, it's not good. New strategy. Sounded like pins.
Going back to the original strategy.
Hard and hooking it.
Hard and hooking it.
There's that sound again. Into the gutter.
Like
Brash.
0. Was that actually like close?
I don't know. Why would I tell you that?
All right.
asking me for inside information. No. Just be able to listen. Why would I tell him if it's close? Stupid question, Brandon.
Boom! Come on! Take the blindfold. Let's go.
Gotta give him that. That was actually pretty good.
You might want to try a different strategy there, Justin. You have gotten 4 gutter balls in the last 5 shots.
I got it. I don't need the peanut gallery. That was 0.
Make it 5. I got 1.
No, you didn't.
I got 1.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Change the score.
No, I got 1.
No, you didn't. You got 0. Ain't no cheap pins in this game.
Put a comment in the comment section if you think that should count, because we're bowling blindfolded. We can't see anything. Whatever hits the pin should count as hitting the pin.
What do you need, handicap?
Well, not against you.
Wow. Just remember that when my score is higher than his at the end of the game. All I'm saying. To be honest, I do think this would be easier with one hand. I'm gonna try it with one hand. How did I get 1? Oh, man, that was, how did I only get 1?
My ball only works for me.
I'm gonna try mine again. Did I get them all? Can't see. Did I get them all?
Come on.
Boom! Shout out Jay Belmo. Oh!
7.
8. You left the 1, 2.
This is a doable spare here.
He says it's a doable spare, but he still can't see anything. Hey, good try.
Mom's gonna kick me out the house. I'm a disappointment.
Good try, Brandon. Back.
Shake it off, they say.
Shake it. That's not
Way.
good. That sounds like a lot. 7? Oh, that's perfect. That's a lot of pins on a spare there. So obviously with this being as low scoring as it is, when you make a spare, getting a lot of pins on this next one is key. That's 7 on a spare. That's gotta be at least 3/4 of my score right now. I'm good. No cheating in this game. All right, I'll take 1.
He missed it. He didn't even hit it. Oh my God.
That was there?
He didn't even hit it.
That was really there?
The execution was perfect. It was so good. The plan was great, but he missed it. But we're
Yeah, I'm gonna move it so I don't hit it next time and die.
Anyway, it's a 2-pin game through 6 frames. Still anybody's match. Here we go. Take that. I gotta sneeze.
That's strike. Any day now, I struck.
Sorry. You know, allergies right now, pretty tough. Depending on if I got to sneeze again.
I really wanted to make his comment and a comeback for him, but I wanted to throw a shot first to have something to back it up with, and I didn't want to do that. Good pitch. We're not going to remind him that he's on a strike, so a lot of count matters here. That hurt.
Oh my God.
That hurt. It's a good thing we didn't remind him, because he did the same thing I did in the first frame. 10 in one, 0 the next two.
Maybe he pulls a me. Maybe. Again.
I don't even know what I left yet.
That's a lot of 8.
8? Come on. That's sick. Do I throw the straight ball again? You know, chest out.
Maybe put the blindfold on.
I was getting to that.
Okay.
Thinks I'm a cheater over here. Get out of here. It's on. Wait.
That was awkward.
Damn it! Man!
According to my
There you go.
calculations, that's a shot clock violation.
There's only one rule, and it was to wear a blindfold. There's no such thing as a shot clock violation. You're the one that's down 14 with 2 frames to go, not me.
Yeah, because your rules are a bunch of crap. Come on. Is that any good?
That was 7.
Well, no duh.
Thank you. By the way, I'm in a fantastic spot right now because he still has to knock down 8 in the 10th frame in 2 balls with a blindfold on to force me to get 1.
Just go, all right? Just make your shot.
Thought I heard something. That's a lot of pins. Sounds like a lot of pins. Oh, it struck too? Yo, that's crazy, man.
Hasn't gone the gutter yet. I ain't gonna look on this one either. I'm gonna throw it with my left hand.
Still needs a spare, and 8 on the fill to force me to get 1 in the 10th frame.
That scared me.
Oh my God. That was almost terrible.
Well, just for all of you wondering, the lane is okay. My sanity is not.
You know what it is? Me, because I won!
Take a victory lap.
Yeah! Come on!
I'll take my ramp and I'll go put it away because I'm a nice young child.
You were a sissy and you needed it. Tried to kill me. But instead, I beat you. Yes! And I got pins on that one too.
I was just going to say I was going to put it away for Mom so she didn't have to do it later.
I am the winner.
You know, we had a great scoring game that game.
I'm gonna be honest, 92 blindfolded is pretty impressive.
You know,
That's pretty
I
good.
exceeded my expectations.
You had some good shots in there.
So like we said earlier, do not try this at home because you're gonna probably do what I did in the 10th and
Run it back. Play the clip.
yeah, I'm gonna probably have to pay a little bit for that one.
Hit that subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment, let us know what challenges you guys want to see. It's 1-1 in the Justin vs. Brandon series, and you guys are gonna have to stay tuned to see what challenge we do next. And if you're lucky, we might do your challenge. So that's gonna wrap this one up. I'm going to bed. It's late, and I'll see you next time.
See ya.
Peace.